Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is super important for anyone running a Mercury outboard or a more cruiser engine. We're talking about the Mercury SmartCraft Diagnostics system. If you own a modern boat, especially one with these power systems, this is something you absolutely need to know about. It's the brain behind your boat's brawn, and understanding it can save you a ton of headaches, time, and money. So, what exactly is Think of it as the central nervous system for your boat. It's an integrated, onboard system of digital gauges and sensors that connects your engine, your controls, and all the various electronic modules on your vessel. It's not just some fancy display. It is a powerful diagnostic tool that gives you a complete picture of your engine's health and performance in real time. This system is the official diagnostic platform for all modern Mercury outboards, mid-cruiser, gas, and diesel engines, and even their stern drives. It's become the gold standard in marine diagnostics. One of the most crucial features of SmartCraft is its ability to interpret and display what is known as guardian mode warnings. If you've ever had your engine suddenly reduce power for no apparent reason, you might have experienced guardian mode. It's a protective feature designed by Mercury to prevent catastrophic engine damage. When the system detects a serious problem, like overheating or low oil pressure, it automatically limits the engine's RPMs to a safe level, allowing you to get back to shore without blowing up your engine. But here's the thing. Without a diagnostic tool, you're just left guessing what caused it. SmartCraft tells you exactly why guardian mode was triggered. It will flash a specific code or a plain language message on the display, pointing you directly to the source of the problem. Is it a faulty sensor? A cooling system blockage? SmartCraft eliminates the guesswork. Beyond just guardian mode, the system is incredibly comprehensive. It can diagnose a wide range of issues. For example, it's a master at detecting fuel system faults. It can tell you if you have a problem with a fuel injector, a faulty fuel pump, or even water in your fuel. This is huge, because fuel issues can be tricky to track down manually. It monitors fuel flow, fuel pursuer, and injector performance, giving you precise data to work with. Temperature-related problems are another area where SmartCraft shines. An overheating engine is one of a boater's worst nightmares. The system constantly monitors engine temperature, exhaust manifold temperature, and even seawater temperature. If any of these readings go outside the normal range, you get an immediate alert. It can help you distinguish between a simple seaweed clog in your water intake and a more serious internal issue like a failing water pump impeller, long before major damage occurs. But SmartCraft goes even deeper. It's also designed to diagnose complex electrical issues, specifically CAN bus errors. The CAN bus, or Control Area Network, is the communication highway that all the electronic modules on your boat use to talk to each other. Your engine control module, your throttle controls, your gauges, they all communicate over this network. If there's a break in communication or a faulty module, it can cause all sorts of bizarre problems. SmartCraft can scan the entire network, identify which module isn't responding, and pinpoint communication faults. This is an absolute game changer for technicians trying to troubleshoot modern, electronically controlled boats. This is why so many modern yachts and high-performance boats rely on this system. It's not just about a single engine anymore. Many of these vessels have multiple engines, generators, joystick piloting systems, and other integrated electronics. SmartCraft is designed to monitor all of these onboard modules simultaneously from a central display. You can see the status of both your port and starboard engines. Check your generator's vitals and ensure all systems are communicating properly. It provides a holistic view of your entire vessel's electronic and mechanical health. In short, the Mercury SmartCraft system is an essential tool for modern boating. It empowers boat owners with information and gives technicians the precise data they need to perform accurate and efficient repairs. It takes the mystery out of engine alarms and turns a potential crisis into a manageable situation. If you're in the market for a new boat or thinking about repowering, I highly recommend looking for one equipped with a SmartCraft system. It's an investment in peace of mind in the long-term health of your engine. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this breakdown of the SmartCraft system was helpful. If you have any questions or experiences with it, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Do not forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more marine tech deep dives. We'll see you on the next one.